posted to prove it. With this wonderful thought, a very cool good evening to one and all present here. I am Pariti Bhardwaj standing in front of you all to speak about on the topic, the impact of social media on teenagers. So let's begin. Social media is a part of everyone's life, especially for the teenagers of today. It impacts them both positively and negatively. It is easier to make friends on social media sites. In fact, it has changed the entire way of making friends. Now let's talk about the positive impacts of social media. It is giving chance to connect with each other. Teenagers can develop their social skills, can learn more new things, and can be creative and can also share their own ideas with friends. Social media has its negative impacts as well. Teenagers are now addicted to social media, and many teenagers are wasting a lot of time in watching movies, shorts, reels, etc., which is affecting their mental health and eyes, and also the academic performance. Social media is a blessing if used properly. However, social media can be also lead to a teenager towards the path of failures, disappointments, and so on. So at last I would like to say that don't use social media much, and don't use social media unnecessary, and thank you for listening me with patience.
Present here. My name is Kushi Ragvanshi, and I am really thankful to respected Shekhar sir and Samara ma'am for making me capable to speak in front of you. Today's my topic is impact of social media on teenagers, and here I start. I hope you will listen it carefully and learn something from it. The American author of Socionomic, Eric Coleman, said that the power of social media is that it forces necessary changes. And if we observe it closely, social media websites and applications enable users to create and share content and interact and communicate with each other. In the recent years, social media has grown in a very fast pace. Social media websites and has given an opportunity to interact and communicate, and Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, these are become an integral part of teenagers' life. Regardless of all the geographical distance, we can stay in touch with one another. The introduction of social media has changed the life of teenagers in many ways. There are about 1 billion of social media accounts all over the world, and about 45 has become much easier than ever before. There are many advantages of social media for teenagers, and at the same time it has many conflicts to destroy their lives. How social media harm teenagers? What is that one magnetic force which inclined teenagers towards the social media? It is the awareness about the happening in our surrounding. It has become an affordable means to gain knowledge and skills, and it is not just a platform to learn something but also a platform to earn by just gaining some subscribers on YouTube and also likes as well. We have also experienced in the COVID time how social media has contributed towards our education, and teenagers or students can arrange or protest and book online tickets or plan their holidays and something else. What are the harms of social media? In the recent mob lynching episode, it has found that in some parts of India, there are a lack of sensibility in teenagers due to the fake news spreading over the Facebook, WhatsApp, and anywhere else. It has a main distraction for teenagers. They just all time just scroll the Instagram reels and just chit chat with their friends and just share memes all the times, and they are neglecting their studies as well, and it has reducing their mental and physical ability. And one main disadvantages of social media is, we all have heard that blue whale challenge, which has increased the suicidal tendency, and also many students have lost their life. And the conclusion for this topic is, in my opinion, social media is a responsible medium in our society, and it has to take care of that fake news which are spreading all the time in the platforms. Teenagers have to avoid the rumors and take a strict action against these fake news, or avoid the bad comments doing on him, and they just use it for a particular time and just focus on their studies. Social media is a boon if it is used in a good manner. Thank you.
My name is Arvind Verma. Today I would like to share my opinions on the topic impact of social media on teenagers. Social media is one of the most important thing in the life of humans. In some cases, people may not know how to write their own names, but will definitely know most of the online platforms. Most of the social media apps are used by teenagers. It is not that only teenagers use them, even the old age people use it. Social media has an impact on all age people, but has a more impact on teenagers because it is their growing ages, and whatever they will use will definitely affect their whole life. Social media can give us beneficial results if used wisely, but can also impact the society negatively. All information on these platforms are divided equally. If the half is useful, the other half is definitely useless. If we move on to the advantages of social media, we can see that we don't have to spend a lot of money in buying educative sources like books. We can get books online, we can get notes online, and we can even attend the online courses which are much cost efficient as compared to normal courses. And if in other things, we can see that we can book tickets online, we can order food online, and we can even start our business. But as I said, if we see the good things developing, it is pretty sure that the useful things are also developing in the same speed. Social media secured first position in the list of addictive apps because the teenagers don't know, and they get addicted to the social media apps. Firstly, they see factual things which are useful, but scrolling down shows them the useless things like pictures, comedy, drama, web series, etc. And they even like to see it. And these apps actually also want that they must see the useless things. So whenever they open that app again, it shows that things which they have seen before on the top, and they then click again on it, and they keep on watching it, and even they don't know how much time they have wasted. So here in the class, there are many who have not entered their teenage, there are many who passed their teenage, and even there are many who are continuing with their teenage. So my dear friends, it's my request or advice to you all, that you have to use social media apps wisely. The thing you want to search, or the means or the homework you want to do, you just search it, get the answer and close it. Because if you will scroll down, it will show you the things which your brain likes, and you will keep on watching them, and you will not even have an idea how much time you have wasted. So if you want to become something great in life, you must attain knowledge, because knowledge is the only thing which was there with you when you were born, and it will be there with you till you die. So thank you for giving me this golden opportunity to speak, and another thanks for listening me without any disturbance.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jyoti Kumari. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to sharing my opinions. Today I am talking about social media, impact of social media on teenagers. We all know that social media is a computer-based network. It's help to sharing about your ideas, information through the various type of network. Social media helps to develop your better skills. It helps the very much important points. And social media, largest number of social media including Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram and Twitter etc. In 2023, the social media users increase in United States is 257 million. Why the social media teenagers use more and more? Because the social media is platform to stay in touch with their friends, and the social media is important for socializing and development your modern world and connected with the modern world. social media is very important for children. It use more because the chatting with their friends and learn about current affairs and updating with new data and meeting new pupils, etc. The social media is beneficial on teenagers. Is social media is a part of everyday life. Social media helps to develop your skills and information and develop and create your good footprint in front of them and learning about new things through the online. And some drawbacks of social media on teenagers, like any type of social engagement, it comes with risks, like they spend too much time on online and they disconnected through the real world, and they share about personal information in front of strangers, and they victim of social scam. Some teenagers feel compulsion to check our social media accounts frequently, but it is only extreme case. So we help teenagers for a good habit, develop good habits. It's my opinion. Social media used in a good way show your bright your future, and then other way the social media used in a negative way is destroy your education and whole life. Thank you for listening with your attention.